He has been arrested, and the rest of the formalities will be done soon. So the victim and the accused, they were actually in a relationship, and the motive is supposed to be some personal issues, the relationship issues, and further investigation will be carried out. And then there is a second case which I wanted to brief you about, is that the abduction case which was registered on 10th of this month, wherein one Marwari businessman who was abducted from Fonda area and he was taken to Karnataka. So multiple teams were formed in that, and initially our focus was on the safety of the abducted person, victim. So first we managed to bring him back safely from Karnataka, and as soon as he came back here, then we made again multiple teams, and we send our team to various locations in Karnataka, and we managed to get hold of all the guys who were involved in that. So the main accused was he was on the way to go out of the country, but we intercepted his movement, and in the middle of the night we caught him, and again we arrested him. So these are the two important cases where Fonda Police subdivision has done a great job, wherein the murder, which was almost blind, we managed to catch the accused within 24 hours, and also in the abduction case, we not only managed to safely get the victim, but also arrest all the accused.
So main
रिलेशनशिप में थे, वो उनका पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज था, उसकी वजह से accused ने उसका मर्डर।
तो दोनों केसेस में कॉमन एक चीज़ है कि वो दोनों केसेस में जो एबडक्टर्स है, जो किलर है, वो जाके कर्नाटका में ही रह रहे हैं। सो कर्नाटका का और मतलब वो सेफ जोन बन रहा है क्या मतलब लोगों के लिए?
इन दोनों में अगर ऐसा कोई लिंक अगर आप बोलें तो मैं उसको कोई लिंक नहीं बताऊँगा। अगर एबडक्शन वाला देखें तो वो जो विक्टिम था उसको यहाँ से उठाया गया, वो यहाँ बिजनेस करता है, और जो उठाने वाले आए थे वो उनका कुछ काम का कुछ उनका लेन देन का था, जो कि कर्नाटका बेस्ड थे। और जो मर्डर वाला है वो दोनों लड़का और लड़की दोनों बेंगलोर के रहने वाले थे, तो वो यहाँ से वापस अपने घर की तरफ जा रहा था। ठीक है, तो ऐसा कोई सेफ हेवन वाली चीज़ गलत है।
सर वो डिजीज का नाम क्या है?
मर्डर केस में
मर्डर
रोशनी
वो रोशनी
मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर प्रेस बना के दिया हुआ, मैं आपको देता हूँ।
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर।